Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to share my experience of walking along the waterfront of Olympic Sculpture Park, Seattle. Covered in monumental artworks, this award-winning 9-acre sculpture park on the waterfront is Seattle's largest downtown green space, and it's just 1 mile north of the Seattle Art Museum. Seattle Art Museum respectfully acknowledges that we are on indigenous land, the traditional territories of the Coast Salish people. The park, which opened on January 20th, 2007, consists of a 9-acre outdoor sculpture museum, an indoor pavilion, and a beach on Puget Sound. It is situated in Belltown at the northern end of the Central Waterfront and the southern end of Myrtle Edwards Park. The Olympic Sculpture Park is a free admission outdoor sculpture park with both permanent outdoor sculpture, temporary works, and site-specific installations. The Olympic Sculpture Park is a dog-friendly park in Seattle, Washington. We live nearby and visit this park several times a week with Gypsy. Gypsy made a new friend in the park and she enjoyed playing with her, chasing her, and running on the grass. It is a beautiful place to take your pup for a run or sit and watch the sunset. There's a lot of open spaces for your dog and tons of benches and chairs to just relax and enjoy the spectacular views around. If you keep walking on the waterfront, you will finally reach to this Olympic Sculpture Park Pocket Beach. You can relax on the shores of the Pocket Beach with spectacular west-facing views of the Olympic Mountains. You can find plenty of waterfront picnic tables and benches to admire the views. Seattle is blessed with some incredible waterfront walks, and the trail at Myrtle Edwards Park is one of the best. The best way to see Myrtle Edwards Park is along its popular 1.25-mile trail on the Seattle waterfront at Elliott Bay. The trail is 1.25 miles and starts at Broad Street, Alaskan Way near the Olympic Sculpture Park, ending at the Pier 86 train terminal. This easy walk has panoramic views of the snow-capped Olympic Mountains across Puget Sound. If you'd like a longer walk, continue another 1.5 miles past the Pier 86 train terminal to the Elliott Bay Marina. This section of the path is isolated and winds through an industrial area, therefore should not be done alone. However, there are big rewards at the end of this path with magnificent views from the marina. I highly recommend to visit this park during the sunset time, and I promise these are Seattle's some of the best views.